Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through our 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. Starting on the boat's exterior, we have this model equipped with the glacier green hull color with white bottom, stainless steel rub rail insert, and the white rub rail, white and chrome graphics, gives this boat a really sharp look. You can also see the underside of the hardtop here has the matching glacier green color on the underside. The boat is powered by the new V8 Mercuries. This is a 300 horsepower four-stroke motor, naturally aspirated. And here at the transom, we've got trim tabs and a really nice fold-up ladder that seamlessly stows away. Now let's check out the inside of the boat. So here in the cockpit of the 230 Vantage, first off, we have two very large swim platforms that extend both on the port and the starboard side with a full rock across along the transom. With the new V8s from Mercury, you do get the top cowling service door where you can check and change your oil and engage this lever, and you can actually remove the entire cowling with a single arm. This boat has the optional fishing package, which includes the rod holders at the transom. Moving forward, we've got a battery charger and one of 4 freshwater sprayers on the boat. We've got a closable, lockable transom door to keep the kids and small dogs safely inside. Really large, beefy stern bench seat from Boston Whaler, oversized, good high backrest support, easily large enough for 2 adults. Really large access to your bilge area, all finished out, plenty of floor space to work on anything that you might need to down here. Battery switch is to the starboard side. Also with the fishing package, we get tow rails, a raw water washdown. We've got rod holders along the gunnels. So sticking with the fishing theme, here in the cockpit, we've also got the optional live well equipped on this boat. Now transitioning to more family use, we have a bracket mount for a picnic table, one of 2 locations for picnic tables on the boat. This portside lounger has multiple positions. We've got the backrest in the neutral position. I can have variable degrees of reclining, lounge facing aft, full sun pad here in this configuration, or I can drop this backrest down and now I've got a large lounger facing forward. When the backrest is in the neutral position, we've got storage right here down below. We also have this boat equipped with an optional air compressor for water toys. Big, large, substantial hardtop, overbuilt, solid from Whaler. We've got rocket launchers on both sides. Here in the head area, new for the 2019 models, is the porcelain head with its own holding tank. We've also got a freshwater sprayer with a pull-out shower with climate controls, hanging hooks, and an overhead light. This area is also drained, so you can shower off in here. You've got deck storage midship. Here at the helm seat has an adjustable bolster. As you can see, this seat does rotate. Well-appointed helm area. Steering wheel is on a hydraulic tilt. Vinyl wrapped brow. 9-inch Ray Marine. Mercury Vessel View VHF already installed. JL audio speakers. Trim tabs with LED indicators, and of course digital throttle and shift. Fusion Bluetooth stereo head unit as well. On those cooler days, we do have a wind door in addition to being able to close the windshield. And then we've got versatile storage here, access to a trash receptacle or a 5-gallon bucket. You can see the storage in the head, and you'll also notice that storage is carried forward, so you've got a lot of versatility in what you can store in the starboard side console. Also located here is the picnic table for the cockpit or the bow. On the port side, got another finished out and drained storage area. And with all these cushions in place, a lot of lounge space here on the 230 Vantage. Got recessed stainless steel grab handles Again, bracket mount for your picnic table. Charging ports for your devices along with cup holders on both sides and JL audio speakers forward. Got a little storage area here for cell phones, sunscreen bottles, another freshwater sprayer at the bow, recessed cleats and nav lights that are pocketed and recessed. And this model also is equipped with the optional remote controlled windlass anchor. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. If you have any questions or interest regarding Boston Whalers 230 Vantage, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Always visit us online at MarineMax.com, and be sure to check out our store's Facebook page with the latest happenings and new boat arrivals with your local MarineMax store. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.